Have you ever wondered if there's a simple secret to better health and weight loss? One that doesn't involve complicated diets or strenuous exercise routines? What if I told you that the key might lie in something as basic as not eating? I'm talking about intermittent fasting and why it may change your life for the best. One prominent doctor said this once. He said, "I was just like many of you, skeptical about fasting. I thought it was just another fad. Skipping meals? How could that possibly be good for you?" It sounded counterintuitive, but the more I heard about it, the more curious I became. Finally, I decided to dive in and see what all the fuss was about. Surprisingly, what he discovered changed everything for him. Fasting, especially intermittent fasting, isn't just about weight loss. It's a powerful tool for overall health. It addresses the root causes of many health problems, including insulin resistance and mitochondrial damage. But how exactly does it work? Let's journey together to uncover the truth about fasting. The ancient practice of fasting. Imagine living in a time when food wasn't readily available. Our ancestors didn't have the luxury of eating 3 meals a day with snacks in between. They endured periods of feast and famine, and their bodies evolved to thrive in these conditions. Believe it or not, our ancestors practiced intermittent fasting not by choice, but because of scarcity of foods. It was their way of surviving and adapting, which improved their overall health and well-being. We can unlock incredible health benefits by mimicking this natural pattern adapted by our ancestors through intermittent fasting. How fasting works. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a pattern of eating. Extending the time between meals allows our bodies to switch from burning sugar to burning fat. This process lowers insulin levels, making accessing and burning stored fat easier. High insulin levels prevent fat burning, so we tap into our body's fat reserves by keeping insulin low. One of the best benefits of intermittent fasting is that it allows your body to burn through the calories consumed during your last meals. And after that, it will turn to burning stored fat, which eventually will result in you losing weight. The benefits of fasting. One of the first signs that fasting is working is a reduced appetite. Imagine not feeling hungry all the time. Wouldn't that make sticking to any health regimen easier? For most, the most striking benefit was cognitive improvement. Some people have reported improved brain function after they started intermittent fasting. They claimed that their focus, concentration, and memory improved dramatically after adopting intermittent fasting. Indeed, researchers have also found that intermittent fasting enhances long-term memory consolidation and helps improve what is known as hippocampal neurogenesis in adults. Fasting also has a profound impact on mood. It can alleviate depression and anxiety and literally transform lives. For example, there's a story of a man who planned to end his life by starvation. On the third day, instead of feeling weaker, he felt better. His depression lifted, and he started researching fasting, ultimately discovering the health benefits of fasting. Misconceptions about fasting. Fasting is often confused with starvation, but there's a critical difference. Starvation occurs when the body exhausts its fat stores and begins to consume muscle and organs for energy. Fasting, however, utilizes the body's fat reserves. The average person has over 100,000 calories of stored energy in their fat cells, enough to last for weeks. Another misconception about fasting is that you may become preoccupied with food, which could lead to overeating and eventually gaining weight. One of the reasons cited was that when you do not eat for an extended period, your body will start releasing large quantities of ghrelin hormone, which influences hunger and makes you eat more. The steps to start intermittent fasting. Starting intermittent fasting is simple. Begin by eliminating snacks and nighttime grazing. Once you've adjusted, skip breakfast and move to 2 meals a day with a 6-hour eating window. For example, eat your first meal at noon and your second meal at 6 p.m. This 18-hour fasting period gives your body ample time to burn fat. Taking fasting to the next level. For those seeking faster results or more significant health benefits, consider shortening your eating window to 4 hours or even 1 meal a day, OMAD. An eating window of just 1 hour provides 23 hours of fasting, which is especially beneficial for those over 50 as our food requirements decrease with age. Periodic prolonged fasting. Incorporating periodic prolonged fasting can further enhance the benefits. Fasting for several days stimulates stem cell production, regenerating your immune system and repairing your body at a cellular level. This method has shown remarkable results in fighting diseases like cancer. Periodic fasting, PF, is known as fasting lasting from 2 to 21 days or more. Combining fasting with other health strategies. To amplify the effects of fasting, consider combining it with a low-carb ketogenic diet and regular exercise. These practices complement each other, enhancing fat burning, lowering insulin, and increasing growth hormone levels, promoting overall health and longevity. Addressing common concerns. Some worry that fasting, especially for women, might affect thyroid function. While T3 levels may decrease slightly and T4 shows some increase, this doesn't indicate thyroid dysfunction. Instead, it reflects a more efficient metabolism. Additionally, fasting doesn't mean depriving yourself of essential nutrients. Supplements like B vitamins, electrolytes, and salt can prevent deficiencies. And remember, during fasting, your body switches to using fat as fuel, so you're still eating internally. What to expect when you start fasting? As you begin your fasting journey, it's essential to understand what to expect and how to handle any challenges. The first few days might be the toughest as your body adjusts to a new eating pattern. You might experience hunger pangs, headaches, or irritability. These are typical symptoms as your body transitions from burning glucose to burning fat. To ease this transition, stay well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee can help manage hunger. If you experience headaches, it might be due to electrolyte imbalances. So consider adding a pinch of salt to your water or consuming electrolyte supplements. The roles of nutrients during fasting. Ensuring you're getting adequate nutrients during your eating windows is crucial. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of colorful vegetables. These will provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. The social aspect of fasting. One aspect of fasting that often gets overlooked is the social component. Meals are a significant part of social gatherings and celebrations. Explaining your new eating habits to friends and family can be challenging. Be honest and share the benefits you've experienced. Often your positive results will speak louder than any explanation. The final word on fasting. Fasting is a powerful and natural method to improve your health, lose weight, and feel better mentally and physically. It aligns with your body's design and taps into its remarkable ability to heal and thrive. So take the first step. Try eliminating snacks, then gradually extend your fasting periods. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The benefits are worth it. You might discover a new, healthier you. That's it. Thank you for watching. And until next time.